Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I always like to keep it real, like, share our wins, our losses, most time losses. But in the last video, I had a feeder in this chicken pen that was just letting out way too much feed, and the chickens were able to, throw it everywhere. So we pulled the feeder, took it home. I made a new feeder. Just drill a hole. Said I was gonna make a video on that. Didn't do it. Had to do it really quickly. So, oh man, short people problems. Anyway, so we have the new feeder. Much smaller hole, so that now when they peck on it, it should only give them out a few kernels at a time. But I wanted to show you, we had a bunch of rain last night. Let me show you the reason why we had to fix it. All right, here we are. And oh, that turned into some kind of mess there. Some kind of mess. So we're gonna get them moved off of that and put the new feeder in. All right, we got them scooched over. Got a new feeder, or the feeder put in there. Actually got an egg. So I'm gonna run over here to the other Silky's pen, check their feed since I got a bag of feed out, and yeah, we'll get out of here. What's up, Mr. Quattro? What's up? All right, man, what a difference a day makes. A bunch of rain. Because this pen, I'm not gonna say it was clean, but it was not squishy mud. And now it's squishy mud. Let's see. Oh, she's still in there sitting. Now we got that one over there. I don't know if she's sitting or if she's just laying. One hen missing. So I'm gonna run over here to the other coop and see if she's in there sitting or laying an egg, hopefully, because I don't see anything else out here. So let's go check on that. This is kind of always the moment when I fear the worst. Hope for the best, but fear the worst. When you don't see one of your chickens, I don't know. Hopefully, she's just in here. And she is. That's good. Oh, there's two of y'all in there, sitting on one nest. Why are y'all doing that? Y'all could sit in these. Nope, just want to sit in that one. All right, well, I'm gonna leave you to it then. So here's some food for thought. Quattro here, been on our farm for a couple of years now. Very chill rooster, very nice. He lost his comb to frostbite. Anyway, I do want some black copper Marin chicks. So this little guy over here, yeah, I understand, is gonna have to go. he's just a little rooster that's been making it, you know. He was low on the pecking order for a while, but as I got rid of other roosters, he's found his own little way. But that being said, if I'm wanting black copper Maran, I only got one black copper Maran hen and Quattro's black copper. These two are like a Easter egger, not an Easter egger, olive egger. So they're a mix of him. I'm gonna have to make a decision and find him a new home. All right, guys, that's just a quick little update video. If you would like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.